here is sea-based rapid evaporation. Weather modification in the ocean that doesn't get fucking acknowledged or talked about because everyone focuses on the spraying. Yeah, this is a perfect example. Right off the coast of Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas. Right here. It all happens in a straight line, and it's just in a concentrated area. And I'll show you from one more loop, and then that's it. This is what I prefer to show mostly. The ground-based weather modification, or ocean-based, because everyone knows this what's going on with the spraying. We see it every day. We see the clouds being fucking manipulated with the ionospheric heaters, and this is another key. This is a big key that doesn't get talked about. So I will keep talking as long as they let me. You obviously don't like it though. A lot of people out here paid to just defend globalist agendas, which is fucking disgusting.